So the question today is, so KG, I want to install Inground Pool in my house. One of the upgrades I'm doing this year. Is that going to increase my house value? We'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is a KG with Fairfax Realty in Greenbelt, where we have buyers to buy their dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or move in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region, contact us below. We'll take care of you. We also upload videos weekly on what is going on in our market region, different discussion. Please subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So today question is, I want to do upgrades, and one of the things I want to do is to install new Inground Pool. Is that going to increase my house value? Okay, so in my previous video I discussed upgrades that you can do that will increase your house value, right? That will add value to your houses based on the return on investment and based on what we are seeing when we're selling these houses. So today I want to discuss 4 upgrades that don't add value. They do not add value to your house. As a matter of fact, you may actually get lower price when you want to sell the house. Okay, the first one is outdoor kitchen. Outdoor kitchen, right? People want to sit outside and eat and do cookout and grill, but then some people take it further and install a huge outdoor kitchen that can run between 17 to 20,000. So it looks fancy and good when you look at it, but what we are seeing is when it's time to sell these houses, the return on investment is very, very low. Only 1% of buyers actually want houses with outdoor kitchen. So what does that say? If you spend 18,000 to install this fancy outdoor kitchen, when it's time to sell it, the pool of buyers you're going to get is just 1%. So that means your house is going to stay longer in the market. Herein, there's no value, which can translate to lower price when you don't get a buyer quickly. The second one is in-ground pool. Yeah, in-ground pool is good if you're a swimmer or you want your kids to swim or whatever. It's very good. But what we're seeing, and it costs about 57 to 60,000 to install an in-ground pool, and then a couple of thousands each year to maintain it. So what we're seeing is not a lot of people want to take on that liability, liability when it's time to buy a house. A lot of people don't want to deal with it, a swimming pool. So you may enjoy that swimming pool when you put it in, and you should enjoy it, but just know it's not going to add value to your house. As a matter of fact, because not a lot of people wants to take on that responsibility, your house may actually sit in the market longer because of swimming pool. We've seen that a lot. The third one is Engram Spa, outside spa. This is different from Engram swimming pool, Engram Spa. It can run almost the same thing as swimming pool, but the price can be about 57 to 58,000, but it does not add value to your house. I have sold a few houses that had Engram Spa. They had an Engram Spa when we put it on the market, but after it has been in the market for a while, and the only feedback we're getting is, we like the house, but we don't like that Engram Spa. People don't want to take on that responsibility. We have to advise our sellers to take it out. Imagine, so they spend money to put it in, they enjoyed it, but when it's time to sell, they took it out after the house has been in the market for a while. So that's another expense. The last but not the least is elevator, right? You may think, what am I talking about? Some people do install elevator in their houses because they don't want to deal with steps, which is okay. But no, when you have an elevator in your house, a 3-level house, and you have an elevator, it does not increase the value of your house. It actually does not add any value to your house, because not a lot of people wants to take on the responsibility and the maintenance of an elevator. So if you actually want something because you don't want to deal with step, it will be better to install a shear railing that you can take out once you are out of the house. So those 4 things will not increase the value of your house, will not add value to your house. So like I said in my previous video, Whenever you want to do an upgrade to your house, look at it from the point of, is it going to add value to my house or it's not going to add value to my house? So that, look at it from that point of view. It doesn't mean you don't do things that does not add value to your house, but what you want to know is, don't expect that you're going to get a higher return when it's time to sell it if they don't add value. You enjoyed it, but now it's time to probably, take them out if you can take them out before you sell it, so that you be able to sell your house quickly. All right, like I said, if you're looking to buy, sell, or move in this area, Maryland, DC, and Virginia, contact me below. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get updates once we upload a new video. Ciao.